Alright, let's make this take eight. Take eight, everybody. Everybody. Alright. Hey, everybody. Welcome to another episode of the Lavender Show. Alright. Well, today we're so excited to feature a very dear old friend of ours. But before we introduce him, let me read today's letter. Alright, here. Today's letter comes to us from Roland Rose. Cool name, Roland Rose. Cool name. And we'll see here. Roland Rose writes that he really liked Lady Lavender's advice, and he sends his condolences. That's very kind of you, Roland Rose. Alright, and he also writes here that he's been seeing an animal in his yard that looks like a large cat or a medium dog, and it has a bushy tail. And he says, do you know what it could be? Well, that's a great question, Roland Rose. And here to answer our question is our beloved childhood friend of LL and mine. Ladies and gentlemen, boys, girls, people of all ages, please put your hands together and help me welcome the only Footloose Fox and the host of our show, LL Lavender. Hello, everybody. All right. Welcome to another episode of the LL Lavender Show, and welcome Footloose Fox. It's great to see you again, old friend. Footloose and I have been friends for a very, very long time, haven't we, Footloose?
Oh, yes, we have, LL. It's great to see you, buddy. How are you doing? LL?
All right. Well, thank you, Roland Rose, for your very kind letter. So, Footloose, Roland Rose would like to know what kind of animal could be coming into his yard that looks like a large cat or a small dog, and with a nice big tail.
All right.
Any thoughts?
Well, Roland Rose, what you're seeing is a fox. And if you're seeing more than one fox, you're seeing a skulk of foxes. A group of foxes is called a skulk. So
Roland Rose is seeing a fox. And did you say a group of foxes is called a skulk? Very interesting. What else can you tell us about foxes, Footloose?
all right, well, foxes can be found all over the world. We live them on every continent except for Antarctica. It's just a little too cold for us there.
Wow, so foxes live in North and South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia. Impressive. Please continue.
All right, well, we're known for our triangular ears, pointed upturned snout, and of course, our beautiful bushy tails.
Well, you certainly do have a beautiful bushy tail, if I do say so myself.
Oh, thank you, Anna. Not the first compliment, probably not the last one I got.
Well, please continue. What else can you tell us about foxes?
All right, well, although people think we look like cats, we're actually part of the Canidae family, or as often referred to as canines. And the canines include domestic dogs, wolves, coyotes, foxes, and jackals.
Wow, so you're related to dogs and wolves? Does that mean you like to eat meat?
Yes, we like to eat meat. We also eat plants. We typically eat rodents and rabbits, but we're also known to scavenge for food. So that kind of makes us omnivores, I guess, meat and plants.
Scavenging? Reminds me of Rocky Raccoon.
Oh, Rocky.
Footloose, can you tell our audience what type of fox you are and a little bit about your habitat?
All right, well, I'm a red fox, and red fox are one of the most widely distributed members of the order of Carnivora. And we're present across most of the northern hemisphere. That includes North America, Europe, Asia, parts of North Africa, and our range increases as humans take us places. That's how we got to Australia.
So you're a red fox with quite the expansive range? Do you have a fox den, Footloose?
Yeah, fox dens or burrows is where we store food, and vixens or female foxes raise their young. But we don't really sleep in them. They're more for storing food and raising the young, the kids.
Well, I remember you used to sleep on my bed, Footloose. But if you don't sleep in your den, where do you sleep?
Oh, well, we sleep near our den. We sleep in open areas near there, and we curl up with our tail. Keeps us nice and warm while we're sleeping, and we blend in. We're also nocturnal, so we sleep during the day,
Nocturnal? Just like Rocky Raccoon. All right, great information, Footloose. Well, my last question is, who is your favorite Fox movie star? Is it Todd from Fox and the Hound? Or is it Mr. Fox from the Fantastic Mr. Fox?
Oh, all right. Well, in my younger years, the Fox from the Fox and the Hound, well, that was one of my favorite movies, so I'm inclined to say Todd. But as I get older, I see how Mr. Fox was cunning and altruistic.
Well, there you have it. Straight from the fox's mouth. Well, Roland Rose, I hope this answers your question. And well, this is L. Lavender.
And Footloose Fox here, everyone. Thank you.